Welcome to my channel about embedded systems, robotics and fischertechnik. This is an after convention video, and the convention was Wedemark, Mellendorf, northern Germany. And in an after convention video I check things that have gone wrong during the convention or prior to. And in this case some things have gone wrong, among which is an LED that has been broken somehow, which I obviously need to fix, and pneumatics which didn't work as intended. Sometimes it did work, sometimes it didn't work, and I want to find out why. Because prior to transportation to the convention everything checked out and worked, and then something went wrong. So two things to check. And where to start? Well, first of all, fixing the LED, because it's really broken off after the resistor. So between the resistor and the LED, and I need to solder it, which I could have done at the convention, but well, there is little time during the convention, so let's start with that. It is this LED. It is this resistor, and this LED is connected to a yellow wire which goes here. So I need to take all off, because soldering here on the spot is very unwise. And there's something else I need to do, because I need to remove this extension to be able to get anywhere. I have to be very careful getting things out of there. Now I have it, and there you see it. So I also have to take the resistor out of here. Connector there. This wire has to be put back in. And then I better take this wire out of here. Solder this combination back again, because you can clearly see the wire has been cleanly broken off, and this is part of the leg of the diode, the LED. An LED is light emitting diode. And then putting things back again. So let's get started with that. Thank you for watching. If you like this, please join me on Patreon, or support me via PayPal or Ko-fi.com. For now, have a great day, stay safe, take care, bye.